This is Sony Xperia 1 Mark 4 quick review. I uploaded all the camera samples. You check it for yourself to check the video quality that this phone can produce. And if you are staying in India, you shouldn't buy Sony phones. There are so many reasons you shouldn't buy this phone. The first reason would be this phone's having some green line issues and there is a display buns on this device. In India, you can get Sony refurbished phones from 10,000 to 25,000 price range. You have the only option to buy from refurbished sites in India, so you shouldn't buy this. There will be no warranty or no spare parts, and return and replacement will be a headache with those websites. I am currently facing that, so you shouldn't buy that for reason number 2, and that is this device heats up very quickly. Even if you use YouTube for 5 minutes, it will quickly warm up and reaches to 35 to 45 degrees. Just even simple browsing can make this device go hot. And if we talk about camera, the samples are very good. I uploaded all the camera samples to YouTube, you can check them. Even the camera quality is good. Again, the same problem, it heats very quick and it reaches 45 degrees to 50 easily. So if you are staying in India, these are the reasons you shouldn't buy this phone. If you want to use this phone, you should use less than an hour in total day, because we have high temperatures and that can cause some green line issues and screen issues too, display issues too. This phone has screen burn issue and it has pink shades and things like that. And one more thing is, you can't find accessories that easily and they are very costly. The accessories are 5 times costlier than the normal ones we use, because these phones are not sold in India. That's the reason. And you can't get any warranty or services for these phones, and replacement with those refurbished website is a headache. As I said, I used to have Sony Xperia 2, and after 3 months it got pink lines and green lines, but thermals are very good in that phone. It doesn't heat, it doesn't heat that quickly, and you can record videos up to 30 minutes. But in this device, if you record in 4K 7 minutes, it will show the notification the device is heating too much, so it will stop the function, so you can't use that. The only thing I hate about this is heating issue. So don't expect gaming in this phone, because your hands will burn if you play and the screen might get some issues. That's about Sony 1 Mark 4 solid. Okay, one more thing is, it has 4 cameras. Front is 1 and back side 3 cameras we have. They can all shoot in 4K in front, but with front camera you can shoot 4K 30 fps. In back, all cameras can record up to 120 fps in HDR 4K. This is a telephoto lens. It has a range of 85 mm to 170 mm, I think.